Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up your Vivax LED TV TV-32LE112T2 for the first time. So first of all, you need to pick a language, and here I'll be using English. Of course you can change it to whichever language you prefer. So I'm staying with this one. Your country, you can use other or just find your own country here. I'm living in Poland, so let's choose this one. And environment, you can go for home mode or probably the shop, but if you're setting up for your home, I would recommend this one. Now let's click enter on our pilot, and right here we'll enter tuning, so you can tune in for any TV stations, but here also I don't want to get any TV stations, so now let's just start and we'll be able to skip it at some point. So let's try clicking on the menu now, and then yes. So we have no signal, but our TV is set up, and now we can use it for watching some movies or sharing your screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.